Two neighboring states, two contrasting narratives, Enugu and Ebonyi, both strategically located in the southeastern region of Nigeria, yet their path of development tells very different stories. These are two states that share not just geographical borders but also cultural ties and historical connections. However, when it comes to development, they are worlds apart. Today we are diving into the narratives that define their growth, exploring the factors that have shaped their current realities, and understanding what the future holds for these two remarkable states. Welcome to Ebonyi People TV, where we explore the stories that shape our land. Today, we look closely at Enugu and Ebonyi, two states with shared borders but vastly different economic journeys. What are the factors influencing their development? What are the challenges they face? What opportunities lie ahead? And most importantly, what can they learn from each other to build a more prosperous future? By the end of this video, you will not only understand their unique path but also gain insight into how strategic planning and collaboration can drive regional growth. Let's get started. Enugu is a name synonymous with industry and progress. Known as the coal city, Enugu's legacy of industrial heritage dates back to the colonial era. The discovery of coal in 1909 transformed it from a small town into an administrative and commercial hub. This early start laid the foundation for its robust infrastructure, making Enugu a beacon of economic activity in southeastern Nigeria. Enugu's development journey has been marked by strategic investment in infrastructure. The state has invested heavily in transportation networks, linking it efficiently to other major cities. Its well-planned road networks and modern highways facilitate easy movement of goods and people, boosting trade and commerce. Additionally, investment in power supply have supported the growth of small and medium-sized enterprises, driving economic productivity. But infrastructure alone doesn't build an economy. Enugu's leadership recognized the power of human capital development. The state has placed a strong emphasis on education, nurturing a knowledgeable and skilled workforce. With reputable institutions like the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, and Enugu State University, the state has become an educational hub, attracting students from across Nigeria and beyond. This focus on education has not only empowered its people but also stimulated innovation and entrepreneurship, laying a foundation for sustainable growth. Yet, even with its economic achievements, Enugu faces challenges. Rapid urbanization has led to a strain of public services and infrastructure. The demand for housing, healthcare, and social amenities continues to grow, posing new challenges for urban planning. Additionally, environmental concerns, particularly in the coal mining areas, require strategic intervention for sustainable development. But overall, Enugu's proactive governance and strategic investment have kept it on a steady growth trajectory. While Enugu's story is one of industrialization and urban growth, Ebonyi's narrative is rooted in agriculture and resilience. Carved out of the old Abakaliki division of Enugu State in 1996, Ebonyi is known as the salt of the nation, owing to its rich salt deposits. Its economic history is shaped by agriculture, with vast arable lands supporting the production of rice, yam, cassava, and other staples. Agriculture is the backbone of Ebonyi's economy, providing employment to over 70% of its population. The state has embraced its agricultural potential not just as a means of food security, but also as an economic driver. Through initiatives like the Ebonyi Rice World Project, the state has positioned itself as a leading rice producer in Nigeria. Investment in modern agricultural practices, mechanization, and processing facilities have enhanced productivity, making Ebonyi a vital player in Nigeria's food supply chain. But agriculture alone cannot build a modern economy. Ebonyi's leadership recognizes the need for economic diversification. Efforts are being made to attract investment in other key sectors such as manufacturing, tourism, and mining. The state is leveraging its rich mineral resources, including lead, zinc, and limestone, to attract private sector investment. Industrial parks and special economic zones are being developed to stimulate manufacturing activities and create jobs. However, Ebonyi's journey is not without challenges. Unlike Enugu, Ebonyi faces significant infrastructure deficit. Poor road networks make transportation of agricultural produce difficult, affecting market accessibility and profitability. Access to electricity and clean water remains inadequate, limiting limiting industrial growth and affecting the quality of life. Additionally, political instability and governance challenges have impacted policy implementation and continuity, slowing down development progress. A key question arises: why is Enugu more developed than Ebonyi despite their geographical proximity and cultural similarities? The answer lies in history, strategic planning, and private sector involvement. Enugu's early start as a colonial administrative center gave it an industrial advantage, attracting investment and talent. The presence of a vibrant private sector has spurred economic activities and job creation. Additionally, strategic government initiatives in infrastructure, education, and healthcare have created an enabling environment for growth. On the other hand, Ebonyi's late creation as a state and its historical neglect have contributed to its slower development. The state inherited limited infrastructure and a predominantly agrarian economy. Political instability and governance challenges have further impacted development, limiting private sector participation. The lack of economic diversification has made the state heavily reliant on agriculture, making it vulnerable to climate change and market fluctuations. Yet, within these challenges lies opportunities. Ebonyi's agricultural wealth is an untapped gold mine. By investing in value addition, agro-processing, and modern supply chains, the state can maximize its agricultural potential. Lessons can be learned from Enugu's industrialization journey, particularly in creating an enabling environment for private sector investment. Similarly, Enugu can benefit from Ebonyi's agricultural prowess. Collaborations in agro-industrial projects can enhance food security and boost economic activities in both states. By leveraging their respective strengths, Enugu and Ebonyi can create a complementary growth model, driving regional prosperity. The stories of Enugu and Ebonyi are narratives of potential, resilience, and hope. Their contrasting development paths remind us that growth is not merely about resources, but about strategic planning, visionary leadership, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. The future of southeastern Nigeria depends on the ability to learn from each other, collaborate, and leverage their strength for mutual growth. Imagine a future where Enugu's industrial base complements Ebonyi's agricultural wealth, creating a robust regional economy. A future where infrastructural development is seamless, where education and human capital drive innovation, and where private sector participation is vibrant. This is not just a dream, it is a possibility, but it requires bold leadership, strategic investment, and regional collaboration. And now it's your turn. What do you think the future holds for Enugu and Ebonyi? How can they overcome their challenges and achieve shared prosperity? Your voice matters. Drop your thoughts. Let's engage in this crucial conversation on regional development. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to join the conversation on the future of southeastern Nigeria. This is Ebonyi People TV, celebrating our land, our people, our stories. See you in the next episode.